I'm Dave Barnhart. I'm the print shop supervisor and one of the graphic designers here at the ECO Print Center, located inside of the East Central Ohio Educational Service Center in New Philadelphia, Ohio. We do everything that all the big shops can do. We do wide format printing, we do direct-to-garment printing, we do booklets, tickets, a lot of business for our school districts in the area. Really eclectic mix of customers. Honestly, we've received the best service. It feels like we could be a multi-million-dollar shop considering the quality of the service that we do receive. When we first started out with DTG printing, we were sampling everybody's products and stuff, and then we discovered the RTP shirts, fell in love with those. Like, they're soft and affordable, and it gave us confidence to sell a product that we were confident in. So anytime somebody comes in and says they need a shirt, we immediately go, we've got just the shirt that's going to work for you. Anytime I've ever had a question, be it for an order, a specific order, or just generalized DTG question, all I've had to do is reach out, and someone's been able to almost immediately get back to me and give me either resources or a direct answer with what I needed. Up front to the customer, we're able to convey a certain air of confidence. I know that if we were to have a question or an issue pop up, we can reach out. iGroup Technologies would be there and help us out almost immediately.
So my name is Derek Beatty, production manager at eRetailing. We've been in business since the early 2000s. We've been working with Image Armor for probably the last 15 years or so. We offer DTG, DTF, sublimation. We use a lot of Image Armor ink and pre-treat. I'd say we're definitely that mid-sized shop. We do kind of celebrate that here. We got to be nimble. We can move the business, a lot from where we need to. So we're not necessarily tied to any one thing. We can pivot where we need to. And iGroup's really been a great partner to us over the years. I think one of the things that really draws us, good people. We get along really well. Great guys to work with. Very trustworthy and honest, and really happy to dig into any problems we have, even if it's not something that's directly related to what they're offering service-wise. They're happy to chat through any problems and really help us find a solution. Yeah, and switching to Image Armor pre-treat and Viper machines, we really have seen an improvement in our quality across the board. We're able to offer a nicer print to our customers, but not only that, we're able to do it for a little bit cheaper and a little bit more efficiently with our operation. And working with the guys for as long as we have, we've tested a lot of different pre-treat inks, and what really has brought us back to the iGroup and Image Armor has really been the service that we get. Like I said, we get along well. The guys are great to work with. We have a really good rapport, and I really do trust them. If I ask them a question, they'll shoot me straight. Whether it's what I want to hear or not. But like I said, they definitely treat us right, and that's really driven us to come back. There's definitely been times where I've had to get on the phone and be like, "Hey, we need this now. Can you guys help?" And even if you couldn't, you help find me someone else that's close to me that could help me get supplies. I always test the competition out, but generally when I'm doing that testing, there's not a lot of hope on my side that we're going to be switching. More so just because you guys have taken care of us so much in the past. But honestly, what you guys produce is the best in the industry.
No more questions.
You want me to be like, I love iGroup?
Yeah.